Wordplay Wonders, exploring 5 captivating synonyms for interesting and how to use them properly. Interesting is a perfectly good word to use when describing something or some person that you like or find worth noting or giving some attention to. But try these 5 words to add some variety to your vocabulary. Note that while these 5 alternatives are synonyms, there are some fine differences in their meanings. Interesting is a great general term, but these alternatives are a bit more colorful and intense. Number 1, fascinating. The museum's exhibit on ancient civilizations was absolutely fascinating. The museum's exhibit on ancient civilizations was incredibly interesting. The difference here is the level of intensity. When something is described as fascinating, it goes beyond merely being interesting. It implies that the subject or the topic is captivating, enchanting, highly absorbing. Fascinating often indicates a strong sense of curiosity or wonder, and it can hold one's attention in a profound and intriguing way. An example, the documentary about deep-sea creatures was fascinating, revealing a mesmerizing world of creatures that few have ever seen. In here, interesting is a more general term that denotes a level of curiosity or appeal. It suggests that the subject is arousing some interest or appeal, but not necessarily at the same depth as something is described as fascinating. Alternative 2, engaging. The speaker delivered an engaging presentation that had the audience eagerly participating and asking questions. The speaker delivered an interesting presentation that had the audience eagerly participating and asking questions. Here, there's a slight difference between engaging and interesting in that engaging does mean interesting, but it also has a meaning of being able to hold someone's interest in something or someone. It evokes active participation or emotional involvement, whereas interesting doesn't necessarily imply those things. Alternative 3, intriguing. The detective was drawn to the intriguing case filled with mysterious clues and unexpected twists. The difference between intriguing and interesting here lies in the level of curiosity and mystery that they contain. When something is described as intriguing, it implies that it arouses curiosity or fascination by presenting elements of mystery, complexity, or unpredictability. An intriguing subject or situation captivates the mind and prompts a desire to explore it further, often because it holds hidden or unusual aspects. Example sentence, the abandoned mansion on the hill is intriguing. Nobody knows its history, and there are rumors of ghosts haunting its halls. Interesting here, again, shows that it has some appeal, some importance or uniqueness, but it doesn't necessarily carry the same connotation of mystery or puzzlement as intriguing. In summary, intriguing suggests a sense of mystery and piques curiosity, while interesting indicates something noteworthy or captivating, but doesn't have that same level of mystery. Example number 4, compelling. The novel's compelling plot and well-developed characters kept readers hooked from beginning to end. The difference between compelling and interesting here lies in the strength of the impact on an individual's emotions or levels of engagement. When something is described as compelling, it means it's highly persuasive, convincing, or emotionally gripping. A compelling subject or story has a powerful and persuasive force that causes the audience to take action, believe in an idea, or engage deeply with the content. Example, the documentary on climate change presented compelling evidence and personal stories that moved viewers to take action and support environmental causes. Interesting here is a more general term that signifies something that arouses a curiosity or holds attention, but does not have the same level of emotional or persuasive impact as something described as compelling. In summary, compelling denotes a stronger emotional or persuasive effect, while interesting simply suggests something worth noting or attention-grabbing without necessarily having the same level of persuasive power. A compelling piece of content is often more likely to evoke a strong emotional response or lead to action, while an interesting one might hold attention but not necessarily incite a strong reaction. And number 5, captivating. The ballet performance was truly captivating with its graceful dancers and stunning choreography, leaving the audience mesmerized. The difference between captivating and interesting lies in the level of engagement again, and the hold that it could have on someone's attention. When something is described as captivating, it means it has an irresistible charm or enchanting quality that deeply engrosses and holds the attention of the observer or the audience. A captivating subject, story, or experience has a magnetic appeal that captures the imagination and creates a sense of fascination. An example, the artist's captivating performance on the piano left the audience spellbound with everyone hanging on each note. In summary, captivating conveys a stronger sense of enchantment and deep involvement, while interesting simply implies that something has caught one's attention to some extent. Captivating experiences or content have a more profound and magical effect on the audience, while interesting ones may elicit attention without necessarily creating that same level of fascination and engagement. Thanks for viewing. Be kind to someone today. Keep on learning. Remember, consistency is the key to success.